Hello students, welcome to AriserTalent. I am your maths faculty Arpita Sharma. Students, what we are studying right now? Quadratic equation, and we have covered some questions and some theories about it, right? Okay, so today we are going to solve more questions on quadratic equation, specifically the statement ones. Like what? Like this. A two-digit number contains the bigger at tens place. The product of the digit is 27 and the difference between the two digits is 6. Sorry. Find the number. So, the question is saying to you that you're having a two-digit number. Okay. So, there will be two places. I'm having this two-digit number. This is ones place and this is tens place. Okay. Now, it's saying that this is the bigger one and it's the tens place. So, this is ones place. Sorry, this is the tens place and ones. So, the tens place is bigger and ones is smaller. The product of these two digits, that means this multiplied by this equals to, what is it? 27. Okay. And the difference between the digits, now difference is this difference, because this is bigger, so I'll write this first and this letter equals to 6. Now student, what I'm doing, let's consider that, let's see, this is x. Okay, now if this is x, right, then this will be x. Now if this is x, what will it be? The difference is 6. So can I write x minus 6? How? Because x minus x plus 6, when I open this bracket, that will become 6. So here I am having the answer. So assumption should be, I'll be having my one number equals to, that is on tens place, equals to x. Then according to the question, my second number will become x minus 6. Right or wrong? Understood? Okay. Now students, what I am doing is, I am taking this concept in my solution and solving this. Okay, so here's the solution part, students. Let the bigger number, let the bigger number be x. Then the smaller number will be x minus 6. Why? Difference is 6 given. Okay. Now, the bigger number be x at tens place. Right students? That will be at ones place. Okay. Right. Now students, I have to find the numbers. Now according to statement, what's given is the product of the digit is 27. Now what are the digits? First is x and second is x plus x minus 6. So what will I write? Product of digits equals to 27. This simply means that x, which is the first digit, and x minus 6, which is the second digit, equals to 27. Now student, you are having this equation, you have to just convert it into quadratic equation and you are here with your answer, right? Okay, so solve this. X square, right, minus 6x minus 27 equals to 0. Okay. Now again solving it. 27 multiplied by 1, 27. 27's factor 9 and 3. 9 3s are 27. Okay. Now 6. How can you write 6 in the form of subtraction of 9 and 3 or addition of 9 and 3? Okay, obviously you will subtract it. So x square minus 9x plus 3x. This will be 6x. Okay. Minus 27 equals to 0. Right, students? So then you'll be having this x minus 9 and take this common 3 here, then it will become x minus 9 equals to 0. Now this will give x equals to minus 3 and x equals to 9. Students, now tell me, if you are talking about some number, so can you take this minus 1? We are not given with a sign. So I am taking this 9. If I am taking this 9, so x equals to 9. This implies that x minus 6 is equals to 9 minus 6 equals to 3. This implies that number will be ones place, that will be 9. Sorry, tens place, that will be 9, and ones place, that will be 93. Right? Okay, students, 93 is the answer. Now cross check it. Multiplication of 9 and 3 is what? 27, which is given first. Second, the difference of 9 and 3 is what? What? Difference of 9 and 3 is 6, which is also given. So here it's proved that our answer is quite right. So there is the solution, right? The solution, students, so that we can move forward to the next question. So that will be what? 93. Simply 9 multiplied by 3, 27, 9 minus 3, 6. Should I rub? Okay, students. Moving on. Okay. Right, students. So let's move forward. A rectangle has an area of 24 centimeter square, right? If the perimeter is 20 centimeter, find its length. Now you can tell me that there are some other methods, students, right? But if you have to do it with the help of a quadratic equation, then how will you do particular equation? Okay, students, so you know all this thing. What is rectangle? Rectangle is a quadrilateral having 4 sides. This side equals to this side and this side equals to this side. So it's having some length. Let's suppose this is x. So this will be something other than x, right? Okay. So it's saying that a rectangle has the area, this area is 24 centimeters square, right? If the perimeter, now this perimeter is what? This perimeter is 20 centimeters. You have to find its length. Okay. Right, then perimeter is given. So how you calculate this? Now students, understand this. If this is x, that will be x. So these are 2x here, right? Now I am taking this as y. So that will be also y, right? Now this y plus x equals to 20 centimeter, which is given. Okay, now I'm not telling you to make these two variables. I'm just telling you to find out the value of y in terms of x and then make the equation. How? Let's find out. Here, students, in the solution part, we have given something information like what? area equals to 24 centimeter square, perimeter equals to 20 centimeter, right. Now we have to find length. Okay. So, right. So, this is to find, and we have to do the solution part here. Right, students. So, let the one side of rectangle be x, or let the length be, right. So, take this because we have to find the length. So, I am taking this x, sorry, yes, I am taking this is x and this is y. I have taken the same, okay. So, let the one side of rectangle be x. So, and one side as y, implies that perimeter equals to 2x plus 2y, or what will I have, 20 centimeter equals to 2x plus y. So, 20 centimeter by 2, right. Then minus of, let's suppose x here and y there. Okay. So, now student understand this, that y equals to 10 minus x. This is eventually x. So, I can write it 10 minus x centimeters for sure. So, y equals to 10 minus x, right. And if y equals to 10 minus x, that means area will be equals to, area is equals to what, 24 centimeter square equals to multiplication of sides. Now student listen, one side is x, I have told you, right, and the second side is 10 minus x. Why? Because y is the second length, and we have this value of y equals to 10 minus x. So, x multiplied by 10 minus x is equals to given 24 centimeter square. This implies that what? Minus x square plus 10x minus 24 equals to 0, or else I can say x square minus 10x, x square minus 10x plus 24 equals to 0. Now students, factors of 24, 12 2s are 24, right. So 3 2s are 6, 2s are 12, 2s are 24. So these are the factors. How will you make it 10? Can I write this? 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 9, 10, 11, no. 3 2s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. So 6 multiplied by 4 is what? 24, and that makes 10. So, I will write it x square minus 6x minus 4x plus 24 equals to 0, right. So, should I go there? Come this side students, this side, this equation, if I will take x common here, it will remain with x minus 6, okay, x minus 6, then I am taking minus 4 common here. So, x minus 6 again. So, I am taking minus 4 common here, x minus 6 equals to 0. Students, there I will be having x minus 6 and x minus 4 equals to 0. Now, I am having two conditions, either x equals to 6 and x equals to 4. If x equals to 6, this implies that y equals to, what was y? 10 minus x. Here also y equals to 10 minus x. So y will be equals to 10 minus 6 implies that y equals to 4. Right. Now y equals to 10 minus 6, this implies that y equals to 10 minus 4 implies that y equals to 6. Right. So I am having here two pairs of side that will be the same, 6 and 4, 6 and 4. So here is the 6 and 4 and 4 and 6. So which pair I am going to take? I am talking about the length. Now length is what? The bigger value. Right. So lengthwise that will become what? 6. So the length of rectangle be 6 centimeters, and this is our answer. Right, students? Note this, so we can move forward. Note the complete question, students. Right? Okay. Students, now we'll be moving to a question related to money, right? Okay. There's some profit, some loss. So I'll be talking about, don't worry, I'm talking about only profit. So this is Rahul. Okay, so Rahul sold an article of rupees 56, which cost him rupees X, right? He finds that he has gained X% on his outlay. Find X. Find the value of X. So understand this question, student. What he's trying to say. What she's trying to say. So here's the person Rahul. So he's Rahul. Smiley, witty. It's Rahul. Now he sold an article for rupees 56. So he sold something that selling price is 56 rupees, which cost him rupees X. So the cost price was X rupees. It's saying that he finds that he has gained X percentage. Now profit percentage equals to X%. On his outlay, find X. Now you have to find X value. Right, value of X. So how will you do that, Rahul? So what Rahul did? Rahul sold an article, and we have to find out something related to profit percentage. Now students, we need to know the formula of profit. So what is the base of the profit? Selling price or cost price? It is always cost price, student. It is always cost price, Rahul. So I'll be having this formula based on CP, that is cost price, upon what share? That will be profit. Okay, multiply by 100. This is what your profit percentage. Now this is the formula you need to work on. Now you know the cost price. Now what will be the profit? So students, I am having, or Rahul, so Anjali, okay. So Anjali is having rupees 10. So Anjali, you're having 10 rupees. Okay, and you somehow bought a chocolate, which is dairy milk. Now your friend was craving for a dairy milk, so you just sell out this, you sold this dairy milk to your friend in rupees 15 rupees. So this will be your selling price, this will be your cost price. So now what profit you earned? Obviously 5 rupees, you purchased something in 10 and sold it in 15, so the difference is 15. Now the selling price minus cost price is your profit. So okay, selling price minus, mention this, profit is equals to selling price minus cost price, right? So can I write here that is equals to selling price minus cost price upon cost price whole multiplied by 100 equals to profit percentage. Now students, I am provided with the selling price, cost price and the profit percentage. So what is the big deal here? I am not able to understand. That is cost price. Okay, the cost price was here X. Now SP was 56. Now again CP, that was X multiply by. Now this is not Satya Prakash, this is not Chand Prakash, these are selling price and cost price. Okay students, so 56 minus X multiplied by 100 will be equals to what? X. So just I can simply transfer this equation, right? So what I can write here is X square equals to 5600 minus X multiplied by 100. Okay, so that will give me X square plus 100X minus 5600 equals to 0. Right students? So what I can do, I can factor, it will be taking long process. So what will I do? I'll use Sridharacharya formula. Now the Sridharacharya formula you all know, you all should know, and if you don't know, just go back to my lecture 1 and know the Sridharacharya formula. I guess it's in lecture 2 of this chapter. Okay students, so this formula is your roots of the equation, right? So value of X here will be what? B minus B plus minus root of B square minus 4AC upon 2A. Now in this case students, A equals to 1, B equals to 100 and C equals to minus 5600. So I am just putting the values by Sridharacharya formula. Right, what will it become? X will be equals to minus of B, right, plus minus root of B square minus 4, A is what? A is 1 minus 5600 by 2, A is 1 again. Okay, so come here students, in this portion we will solve it further. So come here. Now students, if I solve this, X equals to minus of 100, X equals to minus of 100 plus minus root of 100 square, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Then minus and minus will become plus. So plus 4 multiplied by 56 will give me 224, right? So 224 minus 224 and 00, okay, divided by 2, right? That will become X equals to minus. Now I will solve this here, where, let's suppose here, right? So that will be minus, okay, so that will be minus here something missing. 2 to 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 4, A is 1 and 6 is 5600. Okay. X square plus 100x, B square, right? Now, okay students, so it will be minus and minus plus here, so that will be plus. Okay, so moving further, that will become plus minus root 0 0 here, then 4 here, 2 here and 0 0 here and 24 here and 3 here. Okay, so 32,400 or 32,400. Okay students, now can I have factors of this 32 and 400? So I can just have this factor of by 2. Okay, so can I just factor of this? So that will be by 2 16 and 2, by 2 8 and 1. Now that will be 9 and 9. So that will be 2 and 9, right? And multiply by 100. So can I take this 10? So there will be 2 multiplied by 9 multiply by 10. So that will be 80, 18 and 0 here 180. So that will be square of 180. Okay, so that will be minus 100 plus minus 180 by 2. So here student, I can have two values of x equals to minus 100 plus 180 by 2 and x equals to minus 100 minus 180 by 2. Okay, now question is about profit and loss and we have to find x, and x is what? The percentage gain. So percentage gain will be positive always. Okay, so here I want to find the x, which is the percentage gain and also the cost price. So what will I take? I will take only the positive value. Okay students, so come here. I will take this value because this value will become negative. So that will become, that value will vanish and it will become 80 by 2, which is what? 40 rupees. So students, this x value is 40 rupees, right? Now this is answer. Now I am going back to the question here. Come here students, on this question, I am saying this value is 40. If this value is 40, right, then if the profit is 40 or not. Okay, so I am having this profit, which is selling price minus cost price. Now selling price is 56, cost price is 40, divided by the cost price, multiply 100. Okay, so that will become 6 and 1 by 40, 100. Okay, so 4 times, that will become 40%, right students? So here I am having this x equals to 40 again, 40%. So students, hence it is proved. Okay students, so just note this question so that we can move forward, right? Note it. Okay. Okay students, so this is for today. Now we'll meet in our next lecture and we'll talk about interesting questions again students. Okay, till then take care students, bye bye.